A very good evening to our viewers at home. Welcome to our, I lost count to say the episode isn't back, but welcome to our weekly episode of Insurance Scoop. Sibonge Barangwani, your consistency in joining us. Thank you for supporting the company as well. As a company, we are so grateful beyond over the past, the other week, we got acknowledged for our commitment to our customers from the Customer Service Excellence Awards. We are more than grateful for the support we are receiving from Emaswati, considering United Holdings is 100% Swatini owned company, definitely 100% Swati owned company for Emaswati, and we are grateful to see Emaswati continuing to support us as we grow in United Holdings. We are just 2 minutes to turning 5 years. Yes, we are 2 minutes to turning 5 years as United Holdings, and we hope Emaswati will continue to support their own. Namuhla, we are just here to talk. Mr. Shabangu. I hope Mr. Shabangu, now you ready to talk with our brand ambassadors. We just want to find out more about him and Ivyuyake Insurance, his experience as well with insurance, his experience with when dealing with different people, what do they want to know about insurance and all that. So before I go any further, let me just remind you, United Holdings is as I've said, is 100% Swati owned company. It has 4 subsidiaries. There is United General Insurance that offers short-term insurance where you can cover just about anything that you have. As long as it's an asset, it's yours, you can cover it. You can also cover you can also get access to qualified, top class qualified lawyers that will make sure that you get justice when it comes to the different issues that you may face. We have United Life Assurance that provides life related products. It's mostly famous for funeral insurance, but we also have Credit Life. We will be introducing new products very, very soon. We are definitely growing and bringing you more products as you come to us to tell us, you know what, United Holdings, why don't you try this? We listen and we go and cook. We also have United Health Insurance that makes sure that Emaswati have access to quality healthcare services from public hospitals and also private hospitals. It's quite affordable. If you want to know more about it, definitely 81010 is the number to call, which is free. You do not need to have airtime or anything of that sort. Also have United Pay. United Pay says, you know what, I know mid-month crisis happens. I know we also have financial problems, but I am here to assist you. If ever it's that mid-month crisis, to help you with your financial crisis, with that financial crisis of yours. Besides that, we do offer loans of up to 50,000 payable within 36 months. I hope at least Leo summary gives you the idea of what United Holdings is all about. Anyways, I think I've given my introduction. As I've said today, we're just here to chill. We are here to chill and talk with Mr. Shabangu.
Hello, Simpiwe. Thank you for having me. And I like party, which we are here to kill today. We are here to break leg, talking insurance and everything that we need to know about insurance. And my experience is as well, like our audience is going to be listening.
Yeah, Bonke, before we just talk about anything else, now let's talk about Bonke Mbani. Where is Bonke coming from? Or what is Bonke about outside being a brand ambassador in United Holdings?
Okay, thank you, Simpiwe. And by the way, let me greet everyone who has joined us here live, Simpiwe. Ngiyawabingelela Matilana Tsila. Bonke Shabangu is a young male. I'm a very youthful person. I believe I am energetic and vibrant. These are the things that I think drive me, Simpiwe. I come from Seko Ingula. I come from rural Seko Ingula. I sharing that because tineng tinto lokhanza ukuthi tiyasishiya thina sibantu labaqhamuka from rural places. Reason being asisiko exposed. So namhla I'm happy ukuthi umuntu lomusha who has joined us Simpiwe is going to be exposed etinfeni latidzingako and letifana ne-insurance, so angeke asilele emuva. So I am a teacher by profession and I deal with young people outside the space of teaching in terms of youth motivational speaking. I'm also an author of a motivational book that I published in 2018. It's titled A Journey to a Definite Place of Purpose, where basically I was sharing my experiences. Apart from that, I consider myself as an entrepreneur. There are entrepreneurial activities that I do on the side other than everything that I've just mentioned. Simple, like I said, I'm an energetic young person. So ngabala ngaqedzi Nkosi.
Naso isikhathi ngiyadlala kude isikhathi. There's a lot we want to talk about. If you want to join the conversation on Zoom, on the Zoom platform, we have the details on the comment section. If you want to join it here, you are welcome to join it here. Ask any question you may have about United Holdings, or any question you may want to ask Bonke, because it's okay. Today we're just chilling and talking. We hope you'll get all the answers that you need. But now it's not too long, definitely you are promised you are going to get your answers. Okay, you said insurance, I just want to know, before you joined United Holdings, what were your misconceptions or what were your thoughts around insurance?
Okay, Simpiwe, I'm going to be honest with you for the benefit of everyone young as me here. I don't understand ukuthi nasikhuluma nge-insurance sikhuluma ngani and imcoka ngani for umuntu lomusha or umuntu lo satibona asesemncane. So before I had my policies nami, bengine nje, hey, I am not going to take a funeral cover yet because ngisesemncane ngisatawuphila. Ngidawuthi ngikubona-ke ukuthi awu seliyashona impela noma-ke sengilijaleli nemndeni walo, sengiyacala-ke ngiyadisida ngikuthi ne-insurance hambelana ne-funeral cover or a funeral plan. Stereotypes lesiba nawo towards i-insurance sibantu labasha nami benginawo angeke ngikufihle lokho. And then ngambuleleka ngoba phela when you are a lifetime student Simpiwe uhamba nje ufunza every day, adopt new styles of living, new ways of living. Kube khona ke nalokushiya ukuthi cha lokho ke akusangisebenzeli, angeke unginikede impilo. So mina ngingasho ukuthi upon kufunza more about insurance ngendlela lengibone ingisita ngayo noma ngendlela engathi ngibeze iminyaka ehamba ngisitakala, ngibonile ukuthi bengitibambelela ngekuba nemicabango lethi mhlawumbe hayi asengikhulakhule ngibe mhlawumbe elijane lapha kubo 40 senginemndeni wami ngikhathi ke ngiba ne-cover thide. So in our mindsets as young people sibane ukuthi i-insurance lokunye idulile, kanti cha akusiko njalo. I-insurance iya ngetidzingo takho, i-cover loyithathako ngetidzingo takho. Mina-ke bengiyite loku-understanda ukuthi kuyaye kuhambe kanjani, but nyalo I am happy to share ukuthi cha, I am clear and I have no regrets ngoba I know ukuthi lengungenele kutangisita for years. Then kuphindze kube nokuthi i-insurance yabantu labadzala Simpiwe Njengoba ngishido nami ukuthi bengititshela ukuthi hayi ngidawuma nje ngize ngibe neminyaka lethile. Bengititshela ukuthi i-insurance yabantu labadzala kanti cha. I-insurance yawonke muntu. Everyone needs to be covered and everyone deserves to be covered. Ngithanda lokuthi everyone deserves to be covered because instances Simpiwe where you would wish you were covered. So mina angifuni ke ukuthi ngifise ukuthi I was covered. So upon realizing that I really need this, way before I was a brand ambassador for United Holdings, ngathatha ke decision ukuthi okay, I am going to have a few covers kuye ngedidzingo tami nekuthi ngi-afforda which covers ngaleyo ndlela.
My Lord, ngikhuluma ngethibani. Impote belungu. Usakhuluma indaba yokuthi insurance is expensive. What comes up to my mind ukuthi actually not having insurance is expensive. High lokuthi insurance is expensive. For instance, last week we had a hailstorm, right? And you know those that are insured, bebasiphe cocktail now, banathema cocktail, banathema tea avo endlini, right? Because they know good say I can say UTI, you know, you saw was UTI things have happened on my screen or on my car. Do the needful. And then there's this other person sitting there at home thinking, good see, it's mid-month or it's early in the month. And 10 days ago, I don't have money for every stream. So not having insurance is expensive. Yeah,
I agree with you on that part, Simpiwe. Kudulile kubete icover, kudulile kubete insurance ngoba le timo tiyakutuma and tikutuma ngesikhathi ungakagazi. Into nayikutuma ke vele ikukhanza la omncane ngakhona, which in this case it's the finances or the financial part, if I can put like that. Talking of last week's events nje, ngidawuthi mina I was 5 minutes early than the storm because ukuthi ngikhona ekubhaxa la ngibhaxa khona, but usinasohleti sobuka noma dina nalawo mhlambe labathola lawo masaphatelo kube nalobuhlungu bekuthi ngabe mina kube ngimi who is going through this bengidawenda njani, but now wathi ukuthi ngikha insurance so yathi ukuthi i-windscreen utayithola lokho nelitha uthola, but nangabe bekude leto tindvu lotibeke in place you won't have rest, you won't have peace of mind because utayibuka le moto uvebuhlungu uyidzinga kuyisebenzisa. Kanti when you have been covered all along utatitshela nje ukuthi I will call my friends, I will say an insurance company is your friend because noma uhluphekile ukhona umngani wayo umcela ukuthi hey mngani wami ngicela ungibambise la kubi. So ne insurance company ke lokhanza ukuthi ibuke ama policies akho akube ngumngani wakho lokuthi nasodzingile sito ngesikhathi timo sekudumile wathi ukuthi hayi utawulala behle ebuthongo imoto ilimele kodwa kusasa noma ngaliphi ilanga utawuvuka ube sorted.
Definitely your insurer is your friend indeed. Your insurer is your friend indeed, because honestly in tough times are they, and there's no one who is immune to accidents. Accident how we plan it, you see, we are doing next week. No matter the unfortunate incident like whoever, you never plan for those. That's how insurance comes in, because now insurance you know what, my friend, United Holdings, no, United General Insurance. It might happen that I lose a relative, or it might happen that my car, something happens to my car, my house, or my business. So when that unfortunate incident happens, please come through, my friend. That's what insurance is about. Summarizer the lens of insurance. Honestly, no one knows what will happen when, and imali ayihlali khona. Siyahola namhla 10 days later uphelile umholo. So that with insurance, you're able to actually get assisted independent ehlukahlukene. Asakhona nehlala phasi esihlahla, istikhaza sesihleli phasi esihlahla, sesiyogazatha. Otherwise, what are some of the things that you have learned as Bonke? As usaqale ukuba na-United Holdings, what are some of the things that you've learned insurance-wise, life-wise, whichever wise? What are your learnings?
Kokuqala Simphiwe, it's how affordable things are when you have prepared yourself and wayithatha a decision yokuthi, okay, this is how I want to live. These are the things I want to put in place in my life. I would say having policies and understanding insurance or having an insurance cover, depending on ukuthi bona siphi isidingo. For me, kungifundise i-discipline. Kungifundise i-discipline in the sense that I know I have to pay my policies. I know I don't have to skip a month ngakabhadali. Konke ukwenda ngekuhleleka when it comes to your insurance covers, because there is no way you can sign up for a policy bese uyayineglect. There is no way, because when you neglect it, it brings us back to the understanding ukuthi it's expensive not to have the insurance that to have. I'm bringing this back because in the event don't pay, noma angibekise ngami, in the event I don't pay a policy a premium for a particular month. Kusho ukuthi phela mine I was not really in a position yokuthi I've made up my mind ukuthi I really want this. So ngakhuthatha abantu labasha mina ukuthi aba understand ukuthi kuba ne-insurance, kuba nema policies. It's one of the ways yokuphila impilo lene direction. I'm saying this because uphila wadi ukuthi mine lapha kukhona lengusethaphile ngathi sethaphela in such a way that if anything happens to me, angeke ngihlupheke, angeke ngikuswele kuthi, angeke ngikuswele kuthi. Just now besibekisa ngekulinyalelwa imoto. You know ukuthi angeke uswele imali tekulungisa leyo moto kuye ukuthi ilimale kanjani. Naku usolahlekelwe sihlobo. You know ukuthi ungalothola from your insurer who has now become friend. Ngongamethemba because you know ukuthi ngumngane obosoloxoxisana naye all along. Umtshela ukuthi mngane wami, should this happen to me on one day, ngingade ukuthi kuyofika nini, ngicela ukuthi wena ube there for me, I am counting on you. So now you are counting on this friend, at the same time you are meeting this friend halfway. Kanjani ngikuthi phela uthembeke nawe ukuthi uyafuna lokuthi ngalinye ilanga umngane wakho akuside ngalendlela so lomcela utibekelela ngayo nawe ukuthi nganye ilanga mngane wami ngiside. So sesiyibeka kakhulu ngesiswati Simphiwe. Ngiyathemba ukuthi bantu labasha basanze singemaswati sithandza isiswati sethu. Mina lengufunzile ngisabala ukuthi kuyangidisciplina kuba ne-insurance. Ngaphandle kwalokho banalokukhula emoyeni wakho ukuthi yathi nangidade ukuthi ngiphume ekhaya lelinje, noma ngabe ngisebenza kuphi, ngabe ngisebenza kahle kwani, noma ngabe on my side hustles kukhona lengikuphushako kuyangiphilisa, but kunelilanga thide Simphiwe lapho khona kukhona lokho kwendeka kimi. Lokhanza ukuthi bantu bakithi mhlambe abantu basekhaya bengingakabafaki kulama side hustles bengingakabafaki empilweni lengitenda kodwa ngiphilisako, sebaba exposed ukuthi lo muntu lona smart ukuthi bekaphila kanjani. Kanti ngalesikhathi sekuvela ukuthi unekhathi cha nabaluleka nami nje ngifola a dignified send off if ukuthi sengihambile phela emhlabeni. So kunengi kakhulu Simphiwe lengikufunzile kakhulu ngifunzele ukuthi mina ezumuntu lomusha ngifuna ngithi isonzede kuma insurance policies leni ngoba they prepare i-future yami lengingayadi ukuthi ime ibhekapi. But lokho ati nje ukuthi la ngikhona khona impilo lengiphila namuhla ikhadi kude peace of mind lendlula leyo Simphiwe. Kude kuhleleka lokwendlula lokho because every month you live living for yourself to say I have this policy, I have to care of it. It's more like having bantu labadepende kuwe lo wati kahle ukuthi nangabe ngingakaphosi lokuthide ngeke baphile labo bantu and batabe solo bagathe wena ne insurance policy is your baby. As much as it's your friend, at the same time, it's your baby, because kusasa lo emva nitawukhula
Ngiyavakala Mr. Shaba, umbela kube resibhali test kodwa awufola 100%. Ngiyavakala impela. I'm just thinking, coming to think, I know you have legal insurance. Phela ngiyabuka ngeke phela ngisebenze nawe ngibe ngathi kusile nawe awufuni usebenza nami. Indzaba ye legal insurance. Having it, what does it bring to you? What does it mean to you to have legal cover?
For me, kuba ne-legal cover, kusho senginayo ummeli. Noma ngisengakamboni Simphiwe, kepha senginayo ummeli ngoba nginemaphepha ami lengawasayina lathi sukela on this date to whatever date Simphiwe, wena bonke you can now have access to bameli. Nakungaba khona lo sekudinga enkantolo, nakungaba khona la sokudinga advice khona. Sisebancane dinenkinto futhi sivelelako sesihulidisene nabo bani sekukhona singakaphathi khona ukhanze ukuthi seyihamba ize ifika in a position ukuthi sodinga abameli vele. So ngaleyo ndlela mina ngikhululekile ngoba ngiyati ukuthi ake ngibe nema-thousands Simphiwe ekutithathela ummeli noma sengidinga consulta noma kunjani. Kanti lo kuba ne-legal cover ngiphekubekela kancane kancane sesiyavela sidingo, angeke ngiswele ukuthi ngibani ummeli otangisida ngoba ngiyati ukuthi under i-legal insurance yami I am covered and nginayo le-access le ngidabe ngiyidzinga. Lokunye lengikufunza nge-legal insurance, especially le yami lenginayo, ukuthi ezingisakhula nami ngiba ne-family yami ngidokhona ukuthi ngi-upgrade ngifake ne-family yami la kule legal cover lenginayo. Ngikukhulumisana-ke ne-insurer yami ukuthi lana sesenda nje ngoba wena so ede ma-member thide. Ngi-enjoya lokho nje kakhulu nge-legal cover because ngiyati ukuthi ummeli ngidam-afforda nangabe kukhona lokutawendeka kimi. Angibekise nje nakungathiwa emigacweni sekukhona umuntu longishayisile noma ngimi losashayise lomunye umuntu, ngidawati ukuthi ngibani lo tangi-advise ukuthi nakho sengiboshiwe ngenda njani, sikhulumisana njani. Angeke nje ngibe ne-stress ukuthi imali emmeli ngiyithathaphi Simphiwe. That's one part that I enjoy the most about illegal cover yami.
Stress yakhe usithole Mr. Shabam. Stress yawo. Nabe sesikuphethe sidabise esibhedlela nga-United Health Insurance. But to be honest, I think these are some of the situations or issues this was where you teach ukuthi mina nabangishayisile batangibhadala but khona lo tasingakakushayisile actually sanginamali mina ngibalo takhulumela to say Simphiwe hamba ubhadala imali yabonke ulungisa imoto yabonke kanti if you have legal insurance uyakhona ukuthi ubuye ka-UGI usiyathe UGI nanamuhla nanto singasavani naye akasafuni ukubhadala imoto yami noma akasafuni ukwenda kwebuthi, and then that's when you're able to get your not really your money back, but you're able to get justice, or you're able to get the things that you need done. For instance, if it is about tema will, I know will is about TV as a movie. Fortunately enough, we have one of our clients who did a testimonial for us. She had a problem. Begana husband amshiyele indlu ekhaya. Sibambangisa basekhakhe ukuthi hey wena hamba lana awusadingeki. But with legal insurance make phela lo sakhulile impela weda wasimanje athi UGI nginana ngikanayo ulikhaya kuhlele ekhaya ubuyele uhleli unesetekile ekhaya kakhe because i-right yakhe yabukeka wakhona thola bameli bamelela wabuya wahlala kakhe. Yabona nje the peace of mind, yabona le extra that comes with knowing you have someone that has your back. That's what we are here. We are here for as United Holdings. Siyasho sithi sinawe indlela yonke. Bonke. Ngazi sengimle customer ngiseva kahle. As a company, we have been working tirelessly committed to providing convenience to our clients. What are some of the convenient what are some of the convenient means have you utilized? Whatnot. What are some of the initiatives that we have come up with? Have you utilized, and what was your experience with them?
Okay, Simphiwe. Cha, letindlela tikhona impela tinengi. And ngingajabula ukuthi bantu labasha labahamba nathi, especially those who are watching right now, nalabata sijoyina offline and ezisachubeka nehlelo le-insurance scoop, ba understand ukuthi there are so many convenient means United Holdings that lawa beke in place kwenda impilo yethu ukuthi ibe lula. I will make an example of the Momo Pay. Kuthi nangabe ufuna ukubhadala i-premium yakho nase-due, awudzingi ukuthi uye wena in person ebranchini, awudzingi ukuthi umoshe imali yekugibela nawuthi isukela nje le eSigwe ugibele ibhasi letasinayiKshilo utayifuna the next day uyobhadala i-premium yakho. Lokudzingako nje wena ukuthi ube ne-account yakho ya-mobile money. So I enjoy that one because it's convenient, and uyakhona nekuthi nasobhadele phela usithathe leso screenshot as a proof of payment, usi-email ku-email lehlale ikhona yaka-collection legadze ukuthi nasobhadele thumela la tokhona kutrackeka ukuthi cha nembala wabhadala on this particular day neg-reference akhe. So konke lokho akudzingi i-paperwork ngoba yindvo lela sandleni sakho, ucingo lakho, now naleyo connectivity ne-account ya-mobile money awudzingi kwesata imali. Then there is a United Pay, Simphiwe. Nangabe sengiyakhona phela kuboleka imali ngihleti la ngihleti khona isheshi approveke nangabe konke timpepha letidzingeka konke provide kahle nami awukudlula lokho angidzingi kodelesa nyalo nje sihlushwa bathi ngimahazane i-COVID-19 sihlushwa kumahazane Simphiwe. Ngidayitapa ke i-corona nangihambe ngiyobamba emalayini lamathi ngenhlanhla ke nangikhona ku-apply online ngiprovide lokudzingeka kimi lokudzingwa inkampani sengiyasitakala ngishito before ngathi kude ebunanzi lodlula lokho ngoba thina abantu labasha Simphiwe bangangibulali siyavilapha etinto eningi letidzinga ukuthi sesiyahamba thina sifuna kuba in one place sibe busy ngalesibhizi ngako simove sesimove. So nangabe kutawudzingeka ukuthi nginikelele ngikwendako sengiyobamba line ngidatikhanza sengibheke phasi ecingweni ngingabone ukuthi seyi-10 yakami ukuthi ngisitakala kanti nangidayenda lendvo quickly ecingweni lami Simphiwe or ngileyo laptop lengiyi-connect i-Wi-Fi ngoba siya-understand that info tanyana. So inkampani ke siya-appreciate lokuthi isibekele in place things sitokhona ukuthi wherever we are info sitende convenient.
Siyazama impela siyanati sisebancane nje impela sonke siyazama sifuna konke kumenda la ecingweni boleka le mali la ecingweni bhadala la ecingweni thenga ecingweni impilo nje seyabala impilo seyabala. So as United Holdings we are trying to make sure that my clients they definitely get the convenience la bayidingako when they interact nathi.
Yes.
I think another thing, one of the things that we have done is to make sure we see as a centralized claims processing. So yakhona nje umuntu ofaka amaphepha akhe le branchini leli lithintene naye angakhanza gibela tofola mahazane sengivile sekunamahazane atfole mahazane. So that's where uyofaka i-claim ekamanzini kanti usengafaka nje eceleni kwakhe ebranchini leli nayo. Sesivala bonke. I'm trying to find out ukuthi wena in your interaction nabantu labasha noma ama-colleagues akho lapha emsebenzini, what have you gathered as misconceptions or as things that need to be clarified? Ukuthi yati phela insurance ayisiko lokhu noma yati when it comes to claims akusiko lokhu. What have you gathered wena usa interacta nebantu la ngephandle having been better informed about insurance?
Okay, Simpiwe, I think this one is very much important because the misconceptions are there and I wouldn't say to be corrected. Now, we are in a process as young people. You understand how insurance works and good lane insurance. So mina nje ngawukhuluma ngibe personal. Like I said earlier ukuthi ingifundise ini and nami bengiyithatha kanjani. So I would say going forward, noma-ke based on my interactions lofise kuva ngawo bashane ne-insurance Simphiwe, but angeke ngibasole lokufundiseka ngayo i-insurance. Siyasidinga lesikolo nge-insurance and I appreciate mina nje le insurance le ndeka every Thursday leni ngoba it's more than just United Holdings talking to us about insurance, but it's also us getting a chance to understand what's okay. Why do I need a funeral cover? What do they mean nabakhuluma nge-funeral support plan? What they I mean a family support plan. What do they mean about the legal cover? There is professional indemnity. Myself, I was happy to know what's if I provide a service and say covered in that space, in that angle. Sengakhona ukuthi angeke ngisho ukuthi sengakhona ukuthi ngiphunyule but ngiyakhona ukuthi sikhulumisane ne-client yami ukuthi no phela mhlambe lokho besingakwenda kanje leni ngoba sekukhona icover lekhona lebe in place for mina ukuthi ngibe protected in the event sengisuwisheka because of inadequate service. So lokho bengingakwadi mina and ngiyathemba ukuthi kunebantu labasha right now Simphiwe labafundzako lokunengi akusimina kuphela nje longafisa kuva kimi ukuthi my experiences anjani. Now ungabaletha bonke abantu labasha given a chance. Nowadays something you can appreciate ukuthi okay hayi igenge yalo setibambile indzaba insurance and trust me Simphiwe we are slowly getting there. Like I said nje mina ukuthi kuyangi-organizer as a young person kuba nema-funeral plans, kuba ne-legal cover or any other, maybe medical aid, noma ngabe nguyiphi cover, kuyangi-organizer because I know what I need to do. As I live langa ngelanga, I know it's okay. Logo in place, I am sorted. And for that to remain in place, Nami, I have to do my part. So the misconceptions are there, but slowly we are breaking them, Simphiwe. We are breaking them ourselves because we now understand how important this is.
Thank you, Bonke. It's great to know we are getting the breaking through to EU by understanding insurance in. So I'd like to know what does peace of mind mean to you? Because yes, insurance brings you peace of mind. What does it mean to you? What does living with purpose as well mean to you? What does peace of mind and living with purpose mean to you?
Le peace of mind, for me, kuba ne peace of mind, kuba bete stress. Tineng tinvo lesibalile sabekisa ngato ukuthi tingahlukubeta kanjani emoyeni. Uyabona. As I'm speaking nje liyana litu. Kuna kwalo ngathi kusilitangimoshela but nangine cover yemoto awu ngite stress nalesincane Simphiwe. For me that's a peace of mind. Nalokuthi ngibhadala after angidikhami kude la ngivangathi ngikhame kakhona nalokwati ukuthi ngibhadalelani nalokwati ukuthi kumele ngibhadaleni nalokastenda ukuthi angeze ngicale phela ngipholode ngoba kusho ukuthi kwananami ngidimoshele isikhathi kusho ukuthi kwananami ngithenga i-peace of mind lengingakhombisi ukuthi ngiyayi-appreciate kusho ukuthi kwananami ngifuna i-peace of mind lengingakhombisi ukuthi ngiya-appreciate Simphiwe. So for me having a peace of mind kuba bete stress kuthi umuntu lofuna stress Simphiwe whether udala noma umncane kuthi umuntu lofuna stress. And talking of how I've been living with purpose akakuthi ngaya kanjani le but nje ihamba ekuthenini kunetinvo losina utingenela Simphiwe tik-discipline kunetinvo letitsina utingenela Simphiwe tik-challenge to do better and nawe utithembise because don't want to disappoint myself. So I would go back to the issue of paying my premiums honestly and on time. Ngaleyo ndlela udenda wena ukuthi ube happy and making sure ukuthi peace of mind yakho remains in place for long as you would want nje as a person. So kuya-organize Simphiwe kuba netinto letifana ne-insurance. Mine ngidawuthi ngithula bufakazi right now because tinto tami when it comes to that ngitenda kahle and sengiyafunza ukuthi okay now bewayoba nemngani lofana nalo awufuni ukuthi dikwana nawe awufuni futhi nina le range yakho with this new friend loyo singakusasa songekho wena ube guaranteed ukuthi yena ukhona. So yeah, that's what peace of mind means to me, and I'm already living with purpose, Simphiwe. I'm already with purpose.
Thank you so much, Bonke. It's been a wonderful time. I'm trying to check Lana. Check last week. I need you to think of a question that you can ask one of my customer for a competition LLV. So
yeah,
we run a weekly competition where we ask our clients questions. So the question that's in this week. Last week we had a competition where we were asking my clients about a question about a topic that we had last week. Last week we were discussing UGI, car insurance. We also discussed home insurance. We also discussed personal risk. We covered quite a lot under United General Insurance. I'm trying to check the question that we had last week. Last week, basically, would see a waiting period ikhona in car insurance. Los pembulele kahle, ubeng sakhile. Wasipemvulela kahle sakhile waba wekuqala lo pemvula umbuto kahle. Ngoba babebanyenda impela labaphendvule kahle but sakhile yena I know ubese sophuma embili umlangeni wathi cha mine ngiyayazi le answer washeshe wayisho, which is why Sakhile, congratulations Sakhile Dlamini, you answered your question correctly. We are going to inbox you sibute usuyithola njani gift yakho. So Bonke, do you have the question in mind noma usayoyicabanga mhlawumbe utawubonisa ebusuku siyibute kusasa?
I think Simphiwe, I need to think about this one because sekungaba unfair ukuthi ngibuti question I didn't give information today for lebengaphendvula leyo question. Yeah, so I'm going to leave that one to you.
Quite understandable. It's quite understandable. Bonke ufuna kuneti question lelula ndoveleni kepha nje sesingathini ngoba isikhathi sakhisimusi mhlawumbe uthi umfada Christmas. Balele emakhaya just to encourage my clients ukuthi you can still get a grocery and car benefits for your funeral insurance na 20 emalangeni we are khona for 10,000 cover towards inkomo noma igrocery yakho ekhaya igrocery towards umsebenzi umsebenzi wemngcwabo. Sesitovala, let me just give Mr. Shabangu the opportunity ukuthi asivalelise noma asho emavi akhe egcina before sivale iprogram and before ngisongele ngikhulumo yami yanamuhla. Mr. Shabangu.
Thank you, Simphiwe. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Simphiwe. It was a pleasure being here. Senginayo lana question.
Okay.
Sike sakhuluma kancane nge-professional nge-professional indemnity Simphiwe. Ngichaza kancane noma ngibe briefly nje abasiphendvulele ukuthi yini professional indemnity, like generally nje suke sikhuluma ngani sikhuluma about professional indemnity. I know I said this, it is contained here. Kakhulu baswatlamahla.
Cha sendile malangeni uyabuta bonke ukuthi yini professional indemnity, ukhulumile ukuthi uyabona nangabe umsomabhizinisi lo dealer nema-services uyakhona kusizakala nge-professional indemnity. So now ungasiphendulela-ke ukuthi mbambamba le professional indemnity sita kanjani. So that was the question for the week. Thank you so much, Mr. Shabangu, for your time. Any last words before we close?
Thank you so much, Simpiwe. Thank you so much. I hope Banpla Basha, Batausitakala, and Batas Joina even in our next insurance scoop, Nalamanyama programs, United Holdings La now. These are really, really helpful because we spend more time on our Simpiwe, we spend more holdings. United Holdings can engage with more young people. Emaswati asalele ngemuva akhone kwadi ukuthi okay now udzinga lusito about insurance noma ngabe i-cover, United Holdings is there for you and unawe indlela yonke United Holdings ngoba kuningi lokuthola kwa-United Holdings angeke nje uthole ipolicy yinye bese lamanye awusawatholi. So many products, so many services. Ngiyathemba ukuthi emaswati atasijoyina na next Simpiwe.
Definitely, we are looking forward sikhulume nje sixoxisane without baphasi labakhulu. I'm joking, baphasi labakhulu bamcoka kakhulu. But le conversation nje le next iyayibe mnyanjana than usuhluti ukuthi singabe ngikhuluma yona bona mbamba yini nakunemphathi. Sibona kakhulu malangeni lamahle kusijoyina, siyathemba ukuthi kulelandzelako na ukhona kujoyina nibuto imibuto leninayo noma nindema-comments leningaba nawo mayelana nema-products esiwathengisako la ekhaya. Ngingisimphiwe ngakaDlamini, ngisangibonge konke bakangwane makhasimende aka-United Holdings, siyabonga kakhulu nikhumbule ukubhadala ama-premiums enu ngesikhathi. Lokhu kahle ngakhona-ke uyakhona kuchubela kala netinyanga embili uzofika ku-12 months solubhadala ma-premiums akho. Nangabe kwendekile wapholoda zama lokhu uvele nje ebranchini noma ushayele, kepha lo ngukuthatha lokhu ushayele lo 810 inombolo yamahala lengadzingi airtime. Ushayelo 810 ubike ukuthi yate United Holdings setting 16 angisakhona ukubhadala amanye ngibene nginga kuphi kuphi sakhona ukuthi succeed. Kungakuthi uhlale ekhaya utitshele ukuthi awusendlile ngumshwalensi, izaba indlu yomshwalensi malangeni ayikho. Ayikho izaba indlu yomshwalensi ngoba uyakhona ukuchubeka nemshwalensi wakho nangabe sopholotile, uyakhona ukubhadala sikwelede uchubeke nemshwalensi wakho usikhona ephezulu ukubhadala nasesifikile isikhathi. Kumcwa kakhulu nalokwathi ukuthi lo mshwalensi lokuvukile umayelana nani, usidakalana kwendeke njalo. Awusidakali nakwendeke njani-ke kufanele ukubhadelana na-insurance yetimoto, yetindlu, yebameli, nabo-health insurance nakhona kuyaye kube mgcoka lokuthi ufake le tibuko hhayi le tami kepha but le tibuko ufake nje tibuko impela uzama ukukusiza ukuthi le ngikuvulile kungekho yini le ngikuthi ngapha. Balalele emakhaya, inkosi yemusa inibusise nibe nempelasonto lenhle. Sichubeke sigweme ticubu, sichubeke sigeze tandla, singadikhanzise sifaka laba abalahlala nabo engutini ngewe ukuthi sinesitshele ukuthi ayisephelile i-COVID. Angisale ngingasafaki isifonyo sami, asisifake isifonyo emalangeni, siphize sigweme ticubu. Inkosi yemusa inibusise, nibe nempelasonto lenhle letako, sishayeleni ku-810 nibuthi imibuto leningaba nayo. Ningadikhanzise niye ngumakhelwane lo sithi hawu sisi sokudlula umshwalensi ungasachubeki nje lekobhadala, chubeka nje ushayele 810 inombolo yamahala udawukhona kusitakala ngalelo ekhaya. Siyasho sithi live with purpose, United Holdings unawo indlela yonke. Sibonga kakhulu Mr. Shabangu lena nempelasonto lenhle nawo.
Thank you Simpiwe.
Siyabonga.